Hi all, I am Pratik. I completed my bachelor's in electrical and electronics engineering from Kelly Institute of Technology, Hubli in 2023. After that, I did a internship in Able Design Manufacturing Private Limited for 6 months. After that, I thought of doing a master's in US but unfortunately I couldn't get a visa. At that time, I was hunting for a job and I got to know about this VisionAstraa EV Academy from one of my friend Vadiraj. He said me everything about VisionAstraa EV Academy, like how it is, what it is, and what they are doing. And based on that, I applied for VisionAstraa EV Academy. Before applying to VisionAstraa EV Academy, I did talk to Nikhil sir and Adu sir, who is a CEO and Vice President of VisionAstraa EV Academy. Even they said you can learn many things and other good things about the institute or the academy related to EV things. Here in VisionAstraa EV Academy, we get exposure to many electric vehicles. For example, this vehicle. This is a complete vehicle where we have built from scratch, and this is its chassis, where we have procured the materials and we have installed everything, and we built this electric vehicle. This kind of a hands-on exposure we'll get in EV Academy, VisionAstraa EV Academy. Apart from that, we also have a trainer kit where we'll get to know about the electric vehicle when it's in a flat road position. Here we won't get any gradients or any other thing, but we can get to know about how the vehicle behaves on a road. So here we'll get to know about the what voltage it is taking and what current it is taking, and here in the display we can see the graphs. And this is a PMSM motor which we have in the trainer kit. Coming back to device component level, where we use converters, inverters in an electric vehicle, that we used to rig up in this trainer kit. Using this kind of a device which is already embedded in some box, which is very helpful for us, where we can rig up very fastly. And using the DSO and CRO, we can check the waveforms and we can verify the waveforms whether it is the right or wrong. Coming back to powerhouse of the electric vehicle, that is batteries. In batteries, there are many form factors. For example, there is a cylindrical battery cell, prismatic battery cell, and pouch cells. In VisionAstraa EV Academy, we have cylindrical battery cells. Using these cylindrical battery cells, we have built some of the battery modules, and here we can see the final product of a battery pack, where we have done the complete fabrication of a battery with a BMS and the connectors. And this is one final model in order to represent how the battery pack will be placed in an electric vehicle. So here we can see this is a Ola electric battery pack. Coming back to the moving parts of the electric vehicle, that is motors. In motors, we use multiple motors like PMSM motor or a BLDC motor. This is an example of a PMSM motor which is used in an electric vehicle, and that is an example of a BLDC motor which is used in an electric vehicle. So here in VisionAstraa EV Academy, what we can observe is we'll get a in-depth knowledge on motors, and especially the inner parts of the motors, how the motor is made. For example, this is a BLDC motor where these are the coils and these are the poles, what we can see. So we'll get an in-depth knowledge of a motor where we can really learn about the motor, and we'll get an in-depth and inner parts as well of the motors. So as we have already seen the many parts of the electric vehicles, this is a final product of an electric vehicle after integration. And here in VisionAstraa EV Academy, we get the opportunity to integrate all these things in electric vehicles. And this is the final product of an electric vehicle. So as we have seen the complete vehicle in VisionAstraa EV Academy, here we get a complete exposure to diagnose the electric vehicle as well as how the real-time problem is faced on the electric vehicles. Now I really want to thank Uttara ma'am. I really want to thank Uttara ma'am, Rajvidya ma'am, and teaching and non-teaching faculties. And thanks to Nikhil sir, Yadu sir, Pratik bro and Vadiraj. I really want to thank them for giving me this opportunity where I got into this academy and learned so many things from them. I really want to thank Rajvidya ma'am and Uttara ma'am, where they have taught me very good learnings about EV technologies and all. And special thanks to Nikhil sir and Adu sir in order to get me a campus selection in Montra Electric for 5.5 package in a R&D GET role. For being in this throughout my journey, where they have given me all kind of a support, and thank you all.